In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your data from one browser to Zen Browser. By the end, you'll have your familiar bookmarks, browsing history, and other essentials waiting for you in Zen, so you can pick up right where you left off without any hassle. First, open Zen Browser. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are ready. You don't need to prepare anything else in advance. Zen is designed to find and bring in data from other browsers installed on your computer. Now look to the top right corner of Zen. Click the three dots to open the main menu, then click on Settings. This takes you to the place where Zen keeps all of its preferences and housekeeping tools. If you're new to Zen, think of Settings as the control center. Everything about how the browser behaves and what it remembers lives here. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General section. Scroll or scan until you see Import Browser Data. When you find it, click Import Data. This is the tool that handles the actual move. It's built to be quick and reliable, so you won't have to manually export or upload anything. You'll now be prompted to choose where your data should come from. Select the browser you've been using as your source. Depending on what Zen detects, you may also see a breakdown of what can be brought over. Things like bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and possibly cookies or open tabs. If those options appear, Zen will handle them as part of the import in one go. When you're ready, click Import. Zen will get to work immediately. The process can be almost instant for small libraries of bookmarks, or it may take a little longer if you have a lot of history and saved items. Keep the window open while it completes. When it's done, you'll see your content in the familiar places. Bookmarks in your Bookmarks Manager and toolbar, history in the History section, and passwords available to fill on sites where you're signed in. A few quick notes for confidence and clarity. Importing is local to your device. Your information isn't posted publicly or shared beyond your computer. What you bring in simply becomes part of Zen's own profile, so your browsing feels seamless. If you've customized your previous browser heavily, expect the essentials to come over cleanly, while theme or extension specifics usually stay with the old browser. That's it. Open Zen, head to Settings from the three-dot menu, go to General, choose Import Browser Data, pick your source browser, and click Import. Enjoy your familiar web experience now powered by Zen.